Shut up, Zach, we're on air.
Gee, I missed
12.
shut up.
Yeah.
I miss you.
Zach's here though, 47 degrees. Wake up, it's Friday.
Wake up, may be prepared for a little bit of storms. Gloria will tell you about that in just a moment. Good morning, I'm Jamie Cooper. Thank y'all for getting up with us on a Friday morning edition of the world's most popular program out of Athens, Alabama at 6 in the morning right next door to ZYP on Highway 72. There you go, got it here. Matthew not coming in yet, but he should be dragging in. Got two superstars on the show today, Danny Vincent and soon to be in a movie of his own. We don't know what the name of it is yet. But right now we call him the prodigal son. Cassidy Cooper made it in here today. You know why he's here? To collect his check for his commission on selling a BMW yesterday. As Matthew comes in, there's plenty of food.
Morning, sir.
Hope you don't mind sitting over there next to those two. But Matthew, all tuned up, ready to get in that race. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Can you have a seat, sir?
I would be glad to.
Yeah, you getting a bad Barry Cake. And entertainment today from parts unknown in Lawrence County, Alabama. The one and only. There he is, right there.
Oh, look who's
Wade
here.
Oliver got his first music video out. What are you doing here? Oh, yeah. And a blast from this past Wednesday in here this morning, too. D making his way in here. Well, you just out and out about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come hang out with you.
Yeah, we got a plenty to play today, too, so we'll go with that. And Zach's the only person yet that had to be penalized, Matthew, for using an electronic device during a game.
Oh, wow. I'm surprised you let him come back.
I used one time about the Alabama Shakes.
And what's the rules, Zach?
No electronic devices allowed.
So you broke the rules all your life.
Not all my life. I try to abide by the rules most time.
And then this morning we find out Frank's a drunk.
No.
A lot of breaking
No, but that
news
was a
this
funny
morning.
story.
Frank tells a story about the only time he drank some beer when he was 18. Four guys, one driving, three other guys. Don Lauderdale with you?
No.
Three guys bought a quart of beer. Frank woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning on his parents' porch. That was 1933. Right now, let's get weather cranking. Here's Gloria with the weather.
That's a funny story, Frank, but see,
You know
he
that,
learned
Paul,
quick
about your
not
daddy?
to do it again. All right, it is 47 degrees out
Somebody
there.
help a kid.
There's a bunch of Cooper kids in here this morning. 47 degrees out there right now. Feels quite nice. Cassie said it's cold, but it will warm up today. High temperatures of 71, low of 61. Your mic's on, JC. Tomorrow, high temperatures of 81 to 83. And be careful. Keep weather aware in case there are some severe thunderstorms, possibly even a tornado.
You had enough.
If you've ever spanked that child.
What'd I tell you?
Look at the rest of the weekend. Saturday, 80. Well, like
Sheriff
I
Bob
said, 81.
Blakely's on the
Sunday,
way.
76. That's right. No rain to worry about for several
They'll
days.
learn you.
That's a good thing, too. Let's talk about some articles. You know what? Severe weather, of course, is possible Saturday.
Still hollering for me. Beat her more.
Just keep your eye on the weather. And let me remind you, Athens Earth Day event changes venue. It's going to be inside Friendship Methodist Church on Lucas Ferry
Or
Road
Chick-fil-A.
rather than outdoors because of the rain.
Thanks for noticing.
All right, there it is right
Look
there.
at that
The
green
truck out
monster.
there. Well, that stands out like a turn to punch bowl.
Bright green in that picture anyway.
Lose that in the parking lot. Do you, Wade? All right,
Stands
Cassie
out
up
for sure.
mighty early this morning, getting ready to head into work.
Yeah, I got to be there at 8:30.
Yeah, y'all looking to buy a vehicle in Huntsville, go see Cassidy Cooper at Bentley. You selling Cadillacs too?
Just sold my first Cadillac the other day.
All right, way to go. Matthew's probably in the mood for a new Cadillac.
Well, my Cadillac's still running fine right now, so we'll just hold on.
Danny, what's up with you, buddy?
Not a whole lot, just sitting around.
Healthy as a horse? Eat like one
Getting
too.
better. Let's say that. I'm getting
Get better.
Yeah, everybody's got to go. Let's give a shout out to Tom this morning. We think Tom got home, but
He was supposed to.
number 2 is retired. Well, Tom had a heart attack the other night.
Yeah, he's waiting for a triple bypass
He's back
surgery.
now to rest up for a triple bypass surgery. I guess it's okay to tell everybody, Tom. You didn't say not to, so too late now.
Oh, he
That's
needs
what's
those
happening in
prayers.
sports.
Well, we pray for our buddy Tom. Hope we
That's
pray
right.
everything goes well.
Hey, D.
I got
Hey,
to
look, you big head.
Hey, I got to do a little quick Shop and Swap and Shop. Coach Legg told me if anybody has any Rodney Carrington tickets for the 7 o'clock show tonight, email me at bamazak@gmail.com and I'll get you in touch with him. Coach Legg looking for 2 tickets for tonight. Okay. Baseball today. Hopefully they'll get the games in before the storms come. You got Hartselle and Coleman. And between those, they've got a lot of state titles and state final appearances. So that'll be a good series right there. And you also got Madison County against East Limestone. Both of those teams pulled off the upset. So good luck to those and plenty of other teams going around.
Yeah, right.
Anybody cares about the NBA? My Celtics got beat by LeBron James and the Cavs last night. The Bulls beat the Bucks and Golden State beat New Orleans. There you go.
So that's it for sports, huh?
Well, then the draft will be Thursday. It's not in New York City, but it's in glorious stomping grounds of Chi-Town, Chicago.
Oh, speaking of, I don't know what we're talking about, but Elvis was in town last night.
He was.
Is that right?
He's performing tomorrow night. There's 2 Elvises, a young Elvis and an old Elvis. Brad was out there at the Space and Rock Center last night for the young Elvis. And we got some video of that coming up in just a little bit, too. We got our own version of Elvis.
Get those tickets.
You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
The one and only, the legend himself, is getting prepared this morning. Let's go Locally Loved It on this Friday.
All right,
Wade Auburn now with his music video out.
Check it out. YouTube.
That's right. He'll tell us all about that in just a little bit. Let's hit it, Locally Loved It. Y'all hang on.
Locally Loved It.
Grew up hard and he learned not to cry. Learned how to work and he learned how to fight. Prayed for the day when he could leave his home. When you're living in hell, ain't nowhere to run. The boy's gotta learn it all on his own. The kid found a mountain trail and started to roam. Flying down the back road, singing along with every heartbroken outlaw country song. Never really cared if the sun didn't shine. Turn the whiskey up at the break of dawn. Find Leonard Skinner and play till it's gone. And get a little closer to the wrong side of the line. Well, he hit the road when he was just 15. Made it all the way up to Myrtle Beach. Couldn't find a job, so he come back home. It broke his mama's heart when he said it was leaving. Daddy was too busy with his own demons, so the boy found a mountain road and started to roam. Flying down a back road, singing along with every helping outlaw country song. Never really caring if the sun don't shine. Turn the whiskey up at the break of dawn. Find Leonard Skinner and play till it's gone. And get a little closer to the wrong side of the line. What he thought was love. Tried to settle down and all that stuff, but it wasn't very long before things went wrong. Broke his heart when she said she was leaving. She just couldn't live with all of his demons. So the man found a mountain road and started to roam. Flying down a back road, singing along with every heartbroken outlaw country song. Now he don't really care if the sun don't shine. Turn the whiskey up at the break of dawn.